Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Swiss meringue. First, let's prepare our workspace. It is crucial to ensure all your bowls and whisks are impeccably clean and completely free of any grease or egg yolk, as this can prevent your meringue from whipping properly. Carefully separate your egg whites from the yolks and have your granulated sugar and a pinch of salt ready. Now, let's gently warm our meringue base. Place your heat-proof bowl containing the egg whites and sugar over a saucepan of simmering water, creating a double boiler. Make sure the water does not touch the bottom of the bowl. Whisk the mixture constantly until it reaches a temperature between 160 and 175 degrees Fahrenheit and the sugar is completely dissolved, feeling smooth between your fingers. This step pasteurizes the egg whites and creates a stable base. Once heated, immediately transfer the warm egg white mixture to a stand mixer fitted with a whisk attachment. Begin whipping on high speed. You'll see the mixture transform into a bright white, glossy, and thick meringue. Continue whipping for about 5 to 10 minutes, or until it forms stiff peaks that hold their shape firmly when the whisk is lifted, and the mixing bowl is completely cool to the touch. To ensure your Swiss meringue is perfect every time, remember a few key tips. First, avoid overwhipping. Stop as soon as stiff, glossy peaks are achieved to prevent a dry or gummy texture. Using fresh egg whites also contributes significantly to better volume and stability. For the best possible fluffiness and marshmallow-like consistency, it is always recommended to use your freshly made Swiss meringue right away.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.